Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakora English Flow, where your English starts to flow. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. I'm Jolly.
Before we even say what today's word is, I want to ask you something, everyone, watching right now.
Ooh, a question first. That's new.
Quick question for our listeners. Can you guess one English word that can mean become, receive, arrive, understand, and buy, all at the same time?
Wait, one single word does all of that?
One single word. Take a second, pause the video if you want, and try to guess it before I say it.
Ooh, I love this. Okay, everyone, pause right now and think.
The word is get.
Get? That tiny word does all of that?
All of that. And today, you're going to learn 13 different ways to use it.
13? That's a lot for one small word.
It really is one of the most flexible words in English. Native speakers use it constantly, often without even noticing.
Okay, now I'm actually curious. How are we going to learn all 13 without getting confused?
Simple. Every time we teach a new use, we're going to pause together and you'll repeat it out loud before we move on.
Oh, I like that. Actual practice, not just listening.
Exactly. Repeating out loud is what actually trains your mouth and your memory. Listening alone isn't enough.
Got it. Repeat first, then move on. Simple system.
But first, a small request. If you're enjoying the show, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. It really helps us keep making these episodes. Thank you.
Okay, teach me. What's number 1?
Number 1, get up.
Get up. What does that mean?
It means to rise from bed or from sitting down, usually in the morning.
Oh, like I get up at 7 every day.
Exactly. Now, everyone watching, pause for 2 seconds and say it with us. I get up at 7.
I get up at 7. See, that felt easy.
That's the whole trick. Repetition right after learning locks it into your memory.
Okay, I actually feel like I'll remember that one now.
Good, because we've got 12 more. Number 2, get home.
Get home. What does that mean?
It means to arrive at your house.
Oh, like I usually get home around 6.
Perfect example. Pause again, everyone, and repeat. I get home around 6.
I get home around 6. This rhythm is actually kind of fun.
It becomes a habit fast. Number 3, get a job.
Get a job. What does that mean?
It means to find and start working somewhere.
Oh, like she got a job at a hospital last year.
Exactly. Say it with us. She got a job at a hospital.
She got a job at a hospital. 3 down already, and I actually remember all of them.
That's the power of pausing and repeating instead of just watching passively.
This episode feels more like training than a lecture.
That's exactly the goal. Number 4, get married.
Getting married, what does that mean?
It means to become someone's husband or wife in a wedding.
Oh, like they got married last summer.
Pause and repeat. They got married last summer.
They got married last summer. Okay, 4 down.
You're doing great. Number 5, get lost.
Get lost, what does that mean?
It means to become unable to find your way, or in casual speech, it can mean go away.
Oh, 2 meanings again, just like take off from our last episode.
Exactly. Get loves to do that too. I got lost on my way here is the polite meaning.
Pause and repeat, everyone. I got lost on my way here.
Perfect. 5 down, 8 to go.
Wait, are we stopping soon? I was just getting into a rhythm.
We are, but hold on to that rhythm because we'll pick it right back up.
Fine. Pausing my excitement, not getting lost just yet.
Nicely used. Welcome back. Before the break, we covered get up, get home, get a job, get married, and get lost. 5 down, Jolly.
5 down. I actually feel proud of myself right now.
You should be. Quick question for everyone watching before we continue. Can you guess what get better might mean? Pause for a second and think about it.
Ooh, I like this trick, making them guess before we explain.
It helps the brain hold on to the meaning longer. Okay, get better means to improve or to recover from being sick.
Oh, like, I hope you get better soon.
Exactly. Pause and repeat with us. I hope you get better soon.
I hope you get better soon. That's such a useful sentence, too.
Very useful. You'll hear it constantly in daily life. Number 7, get ready.
Get ready, what does that mean?
It means to prepare yourself for something, like going out or starting your day.
Oh, like, I need 30 minutes to get ready in the morning.
Pause and repeat. I need 30 minutes to get ready.
I need 30 minutes to get ready. Honestly, mine takes longer.
We believe you. Number 8, get a call.
Get a call? What does that mean?
It means to receive a phone call.
Oh, like, I got a call from my mom this morning.
Exactly. Say it with us. I got a call this morning.
I got a call this morning. 8 down. My brain is actually keeping up.
That's the pause and repeat system doing its job. Before we go further, quick question again. Can anyone guess what get it might mean when someone says it about understanding, not receiving?
Ooh, tricky. Pause everyone and think.
Get it means to understand something.
Oh, like, do you get it? Yeah, I get it now.
Exactly. Pause and repeat. I get it now.
I get it now. That's such a common phrase. I use it constantly without thinking.
Most learners never realize that's actually get in disguise.
Mind blown a little, honestly.
Number 10, get a discount.
Get a discount. What does that mean?
It means to receive a lower price on something you're buying.
Oh, like, I got a discount on these shoes.
Pause and repeat. I got a discount on these shoes.
I got a discount on these shoes. 10 down, 3 to go.
You're flying through these now.
I think the pausing thing is actually working. I don't feel confused at all.
That's exactly the design. Active practice beats passive watching every time.
Okay, I'm ready for the last stretch already.
Almost. Let's give our brains a short breather first.
Fine. Pausing again. Very on brand for this episode.
Welcome back. So far, we've covered 10 uses of get. Up, home, a job, married, lost, better, ready, a call, it, and a discount. Ready for the final stretch, Jolly?
Ready, although my brain is doing a lot of pausing today.
That's a good thing. It means it's actually working. Quick question for everyone before we continue. Can you guess what get along might mean? Pause and think about it.
Ooh, I don't even know this one myself. Let me guess too.
Get along means to have a friendly, easy relationship with someone.
Oh, like my sister and I get along really well.
Exactly. Pause and repeat with us. We get along really well.
We get along really well. 11 down.
2 more to go. Number 12, get over.
Get over. What does that mean?
It means to recover emotionally from something difficult, like a loss or a disappointment.
Oh, like it took me a while to get over losing my keys that morning.
Still bringing that up? Pause and repeat, everyone. I got over it eventually.
I got over it eventually. Honestly, I'm still not fully over the keys thing.
We believe you. Before our final one, quick question again. Can you guess what get through might mean when someone's dealing with something hard?
Pause, everyone. Think about it with me.
Get through means to survive or complete a difficult experience or period of time.
Oh, like I don't know how I got through that stressful week.
Pause and repeat. I got through it somehow.
I got through it somehow. 12 down, 1 left.
1 left, and it's a really important one for daily conversation.
Save it for the next part?
Exactly, right at the top, along with our full recap.
Okay, I actually feel ready for this final one now. My brain has been trained today.
That's the whole point of pausing and repeating instead of just watching passively.
I'm going to start doing this with every English video I watch now.
That's honestly the best compliment you could give this episode.
Well, I mean it. This actually feels different from a normal lesson.
That's because you're not just listening, you're practicing in real time.
True, my mouth is more tired than usual after a lesson.
That's a good kind of tired.
All right, I'm ready. Bring on the final one.
Let's save that excitement for the next part.
Fine. Pausing my excitement one more time.
Welcome back for our final part, one last new use of get, and then we'll bring everything together.
I'm ready. Let's finish strong.
Quick question before I tell you, can you guess what get in touch might mean? Pause for a second and think.
Ooh, touch feels like a clue. Pause, everyone, and guess with me.
Get in touch means to contact someone, usually by phone, message, or email.
Oh, like I'll get in touch with you next week.
Exactly. Pause and repeat with us. I'll get in touch with you soon.
I'll get in touch with you soon. 13 down. We actually finished all of them.
We really did. 13 different uses of one small word, all learned by pausing, guessing, and repeating.
Honestly, I feel like I understand get better than I ever have in my life.
That's the goal. Let's do a quick recap, and everyone watching, keep pausing and repeating with us one more time.
Recap time. Hit me with the list.
We started with get up, rising from bed, then get home, arriving at your house.
I get up at 7 and I get home around 6.
Perfect. Then get a job, get married, and get lost. Remember, that one has two meanings.
She got a job, they got married, and I got lost on the way here.
Exactly. Then get better, get ready, and get a call.
I hope you get better soon. I need 30 minutes to get ready, and I got a call this morning.
After that, get it, meaning to understand, and get a discount.
I get it now, and I got a discount on these shoes.
Then get along, get over, and get through.
We get along really well. I got over it eventually, and I got through it somehow.
And finally, our 13th one, get in touch.
I'll get in touch with you soon. 13 uses, and I actually remember every single one.
That's what happens when you pause, guess, and repeat instead of just watching. All right, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Seriously, thank you for pausing and repeating with us the whole way through. That's the real reason this actually works.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
It really does help us keep making these for you.
And before you go, here's a question for you to answer in the comments, in English please. Which of these 13 uses of get do you think you'll use the most this week?
Write your answer below. It's great writing practice, and we genuinely read every comment.
Thanks again for joining us on Speakora English Flow.
And remember, if you paused and repeated with us today, you already got it.
Beautiful closing line, Jolly.
I get better at these every episode.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep pausing, keep repeating.